Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. My name is Taiwo Yusuf and my website is taiwoyusuf.com. I post entrepreneurship videos and how-to videos generally. So in this particular video I'll be talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this video basically is because I get asked most of the time questions pertaining to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Most of my subscribers, readers, Facebook friends, they ask questions about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency oftentimes. Okay, so some of these questions is what I've just put here. What is cryptocurrency? What is blockchain? A lot of questions regarding the whole Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Before I start answering all these questions, I'd like to post a disclaimer. This is not a financial advice video. I am doing this video solely to educate and inform people about the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency technology. Okay, so this is not a financial advice video, and everybody watching this video are solely responsible for their actions they take regarding Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Okay, well, starting with the definition of cryptocurrency. Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital asset, or what can be referred to as a digital currency. It runs on what we call blockchain technology. So blockchain technology is like a decentralized and distributed ledger that stores cryptocurrency transactions. So this is the technology that records how we are sending cryptocurrency from one person to another. It is recorded on the public domain, like it is open to everyone. If I have a transaction reference of a particular payment, I could check it on a public website that okay, this transaction recorded that Mr. A sent 50 coins to Mr. B, but the identity are not revealed on the public domain. So the technology that is managing all these transactions recording is what we call blockchain technology. Okay, so then Bitcoin is the most popular and the first of all this cryptocurrency. It was created about a decade ago. Generally, cryptocurrencies are used as a medium of exchange, just like we have our normal currency. They are used to make payments. Okay, so let's quickly go on the internet. All right, so I'll first of all introduce you to this website, coinmarketcap.com. This website shows all the available digital currencies, that is cryptocurrencies, that has been on the market, that people are already exchanging. They are buying them and selling them. Okay, this is coinmarketcap.com. It lists all the cryptocurrencies that we have available in the market. So firstly, any cryptocurrency that is not yet on the market, it's not advisable to deal with it, because you'll find it difficult to exchange for another currency. Okay, so I usually check on CoinMarketCap to find about a particular cryptocurrency, if it's already in the market, the current market cap, the present price, how many volume were traded in the last 24 hours, how many volume is already in circulation, and all. What is the percentage increment in or decrease in the last 24 hours, and all details. You'll be able to find it on coinmarketcap.com. Okay, so going back to the slide, what are the advantages of cryptocurrency? They are very fast, unlike our normal currency that will have to go physically with a cash to the bank, deposit, then the banker would process it, then through their network, and before the person we are sending to receive the fund. So this one is very, very fast. It's just like we are sending our email from one wallet to the other wallet. Within minutes, the person gets the fund or the amount of money we are trying to send. Okay, then to some extent it is secure because I can just log into my computer or smartphone, then send it in split seconds. Nobody's aware of my transaction at all. So to some extent it's very, very secure and effortless. I don't have to stress. Just like I said, in split seconds it gets sent, just like you are sending an email. You can send on a phone, your smart device, your laptop and all. Then it is a bit confidential. Just like I said, it is a peer-to-peer transaction. It goes from the sender to the receiver. No middleman, no banker, no agent, no government that is regulating it or managing the transaction. No middleman. So it is a bit confidential from the sender to the receiver. No intermediary. Okay, then also it has a very low transaction fee. Irrespective of the amount you are sending, the transaction fee are usually very, very low, depending on the website or wallet you are using. Okay, then there is no boundary. You can send from Nigeria to Japan, from Japan to Italy. No limits of the country. There is no limits like, okay, you can only send within Nigeria, or no, you can send from anybody to anybody in the part of from any part of the world. Okay, so those are the advantages of a cryptocurrency or digital assets or digital currency. All right, let's take a moment to check the disadvantages as well. It is irreversible. Any cryptocurrency that you are sending, you have to be very sure you're sending it to the right person and for the right purpose, because it is irreversible. Once it is sent, you cannot reverse it back. Okay, then as well, cybersecurity is a major challenge in cryptocurrency. A lot of hackers and online threats could occur during the process, such that you may lose your cryptocurrency. But there are still some ways you can protect your digital currencies from attackers and all sort of threats. Then it's very, very volatile in the sense that, okay, let me go back to this website. Currently Bitcoin price is 9,229. In the next 1 hour or two, it may drop to 9,001, or it may even increase. It is very, very volatile. You can come here tomorrow morning and realize that it's now in 10,000. Okay, so there's no specific price, or there's no specific value for any cryptocurrency. It can go up and down at any point in time. And what really affects the price is demand over supply. Once there are more demand for the currency, the price increases, and once the demand is reducing, then the price also drops. Okay, so it is priced based on acceptability. The more people accept it, the more the value. It's as simple as that. Okay, then regulation. There's no regulation. No government agency or nobody is in control of the old digital currencies, all these cryptocurrencies. There is no government in control of them. So to some extent, you feel your money is not backed by government. In case anything happens to it, it's gone. There's nothing you could do about it. So that's just some of the few disadvantages of the cryptocurrency. But as well, it has more advantages to me precisely. So you could send money effortlessly and it gets delivered within minutes. Okay, so let me quickly answer some questions here. What is a wallet? What is an address? And how do you even secure your fund when you have a cryptocurrency? Okay, so let me quickly take you to the internet here. All right, on the internet, just like I said, we have countless of them. They run into thousands of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is priced at 9,229. We have this on Ethereum, 238.62 as at today's date, and Tether is priced at $1. Ripple, this is XRP. Ripple is priced at 0.199. We have Bitcoin Cash also, which is $235 for 1 Bitcoin Cash. So all these cryptocurrencies have their values listed here. Okay, so how do we now get a wallet? Okay, simply put, a wallet is like a website where you register and get an account with them, and you can store your cryptocurrency inside. Okay, there are countless websites that deals with cryptocurrency. I'm not vouching for anyone. Let's click on Bitcoin, for instance. You come down here and click on market space. So okay, once you click on market space, you see websites here. All these websites, all of these are websites where you can register and store your cryptocurrency. This is a website. Bilaxy is a website, Binance is a website, Bika is a website, Bigon is a website, and I think Binance is the most popular one. They have various cryptocurrencies that you can trade. Okay, this is Bounty, Buy Assets, Bitbank, Bitcoin.com, a lot of websites. You can actually register with any of these websites and get an account with them. Then you have access to store any of this cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's take for instance Binance, blockchain.com, and Bittrex. So any of these websites you can register with them. So to register, you just need to come down here and click on register. Okay, so they'll ask for your email and password. Then you put your email and password. They will send you a confirmation email. The same thing applies with this one. Sign up. The request for your I'll just come down here and click on create a wallet. So request for your email and password, just like that. And likewise this one, you come down here and create an account. So but for the sake of this video, I've already created an account with Bittrex and I've logged into my account. So most of these websites, they used to like do a confirmation. They'll send you a confirmation link. Sometimes you may have to confirm your phone number, and oftentimes you may need to like confirm your identity by uploading a document. All right, so once your account is set, you come down here and log in with your username and password. All right, just like I've done on bittrex.com here. So what we are particular about is holding or wallets. On any of this one, they call it wallet, but yeah, they call it holding. Just come down here and click on holding. So you have access to all those cryptocurrencies. Okay, here is showing all my balance in all the cryptocurrencies. So there are thousands of cryptocurrencies here, but the ones I have presently is I have this available units of Redcoin, Coin, digital notes, and all. Digibyte, Bitcoin. I don't have a Bitcoin. I have 0.00014, a very small amount of Bitcoin. Can you see? So this is how the websites operate. So they're already giving you access to all these cryptocurrencies. You can either deposit or withdraw. So once you click on deposit, let's say Bitcoin for instance, now you click on deposit, so an address or a barcode will be generated. Okay, this one is showing us an address. Some websites will show you a barcode. So this is our address. This is our wallet address. My wallet here is I'm using this wallet. Bittrex is my wallet, but the address is address for my Bitcoin is this. I'll just copy it, and sometimes this address may change, but to still deposit to your Bitcoin wallet. So these are just randomly generated numbers by the system. Okay, numbers and alphabet. So this is what represent our account number, but they don't call it account number, they call it address. Okay, so if you are trying to receive Bitcoin from someone, you just copy this address and send to that person. So with this address, the person would be able to deposit or send money Bitcoin to you using this your address. Okay, so let's also try it with let's take for instance Litecoin. I'll click on deposits, I'll click on generate address, and an address will be generated. Can we see? So each of these address are peculiar to a particular coin. Okay, and a Litecoin address will not work for a Bitcoin address. I hope my explanation is clear. You cannot generate a Litecoin address and send it to someone who wants to send you Bitcoin. It will not work. So you must generate a Bitcoin address to be able to receive Bitcoin. And if you want to receive Litecoin, you need to generate a Litecoin address. So each of them has their unique addresses. Okay. Likewise, if you want to send money to someone, let's say we have like this red coin, I have like 3,477. Though it's very, very small in units. So if I'm trying to send this to someone now, I'll click on withdraw. I'll paste the person's address here. Let's say this is an address of red coin that somebody sends to me. All right, so I'll just type the amount of red coin that I'm trying to send. Let's say I'm trying to send 500 red coin to that person. So they're telling us that they have a transaction fee, 2 red coin. So the person would receive 498. Okay, so once I click on withdraw, it automatically gets sent to that person. So the same thing applies to all these websites too, the remaining websites. So by clicking on withdraw and deposit, you'll be able to send and receive any type of cryptocurrency. Okay, so once you have a cryptocurrency and you're now trying to exchange them to your local currency, let's say Naira for instance, though most of these websites are international, they are global websites, so they may not really have a Nigerian currency exchange. So I run a website, exchanger website, exchanger.com.ng. so once you come down here, you can initiate a trade and you'll be able to sell your digital currencies, maybe blockchain, Ethereum, and Litecoin, or any kind of coins. So for Naira equivalent. I hope this short video has answered some of the questions. All right, the last part is security and investment. Oftentimes people tell me I saw a platform online, they're talking about investment. Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, they are not investment, they are just digital assets. You may decide to buy them. Let's take for instance, some people bought Bitcoin when it was just $6,000. Currently now it has appreciated to $9,000 plus. So they may say they have made money, but I don't think that is an investment, because as well it might fall. You may decide to buy it at 9,227 now, then come tomorrow it might have fall to a lower price, maybe 6,000 or 7,000. So you can't really call that a safe investment. Okay, so anybody dealing with cryptocurrency should understand the volatility. They are very volatile, and you can't really you can't predict what is going to happen or what the price would be in the next few days or months to come. So I don't really advise people saying, okay, I want to invest in this and all. So any money you know you can't afford to lose, don't put it in cryptocurrency, because anything can happen to the website, that is the wallet that you are even dealing with. All these websites, anything can happen to them at any point in time. So talk less of the wallets that you own on their website. So but once you register on this website, I was trying to talk about security. Okay, how do you secure your funds once it is on this website? You need to enable two-factor authentication. You need to enable two-factor authentication with your phone number, such that even if anybody logs into your accounts, they will need an authentication from your phone. Maybe an SMS will be sent to your phone, or you use a Google or Authenticator or any other authenticator application on your mobile phone before the transaction is being granted. So an authentication will be sent, or a confirmation digit will be sent to your phone number. So always ensure you put a two-factor authentication. You come down to your account settings and all, accounts and two-factor authentication. So you'll be able to enable this two-factor authentication. I think it generates some random code and may send it to your phone number or from your application. So you'd be able to use this to log in and secure your account to some extent. All right, so that is the two-factor authentication. That is the only security, one of the securities for our digital currencies or cryptocurrencies for now. All right, so then you tend to keep your password safe and your email, so you don't share your login details with people so that they don't log into your account and send your cryptocurrencies. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, kindly share it with your friends. I remain my humble self, Taiwo Yusuf. Thanks for watching.